Managing finances is one of the most critical and often most complex tasks for small business owners. Whether you're running a service based company, retail store, or trade business, having an efficient system to manage invoicing, expenses, payroll, and compliance is essential. That's where MYOB business comes in. MYOB, short for Mind Your Own Business, is one of Australia and New Zealand's most trusted accounting and business management platforms. The 2025 version of MYOB Business offers a streamlined, cloud based solution designed to help small businesses stay on top of their books, meet tax requirements, and make smarter decisions, all with less stress and paperwork. In this video, we'll walk you through the MYOB business, highlight its key features, and explain how it can help you manage your operations efficiently from day one. So, for its key features and benefits, first is the simple chart of accounts and bank feed setup. When you create your MYOB account, the platform helps you set up a chart of accounts tailored to your industry. You can then securely connect your bank accounts and credit cards to import transactions in real time. The smart reconciliation tools automatically match transactions with your records. This saves time by reducing manual data entry and increases accuracy with bank-grade reconciliation tools. You get up-to-date financials with minimal effort. Another key feature is the invoicing and codes. You can create and send professional invoices and codes in minutes, customizable with your logo, terms, and payment options. You can track when invoices are opened, automate reminders, and even set up recurring billing for repeat customers. This improves cash flow and gives you visibility into who owes you money and when. It's also easier to manage late payments with automated follow-ups. Another key feature is the expense tracking and bills management. MYOB lets you capture bills, upload receipts, and categorize expenses directly from your mobile device or desktop. You can also set reminders for upcoming due dates and match purchases with supplier invoices. This keeps you organized and ready for tax time. Plus, it helps avoid missed bills and better manage vendor relationships. Another key feature is the payroll and superannuation compliance. For businesses with employees, MYOB includes powerful payroll features that simplify pay runs, calculate tax, manage leave, and handle superannuation reporting. It's single touch payroll, compliant, and syncs directly with the ATO. This ensures compliance with Australia's payroll laws, reduces admin time, and gives employees clear access to payslips and leave balances. Another key feature is the reports and BAS preparation. MYOB generates detailed financial reports like profit and loss, balance sheets, and cash flow statements, and supports automated business activity statement preparation and lodgement. This helps you understand your business performance and meet your ATO obligations with less stress. Reports are clear and customizable to fit your needs. So, why is MYOB a great choice? MYOB Business is purpose built for small businesses in Australia and New Zealand, offering the tools you need to manage money, stay compliant, and grow sustainably. Its interface is clean and user friendly, making it suitable even for business owners without an accounting background. It also supports multi user access, integrates with hundreds of apps, and offers industry specific setups for trades, retail, hospitality, and more. Whether you're just starting or switching from spreadsheets or other software, MYOB provides excellent onboarding, tutorials, and customer support to help you get started smoothly. And with continued enhancements in automation, mobile access, and local compliance features, MYOB Business remains one of the most future ready platforms available today. So basically, for small business owners looking to streamline their accounting, payroll, and compliance workflows, MYOB Business delivers a reliable and scalable solution. With real time bank feeds, invoicing, payroll, and BAS tools all under one roof, it helps you focus more on running your business and less on chasing numbers. So get started with MYOB Business today and take control of your finances with confidence, whether you're a sole trader and or managing a growing team. So if you need more information about MYOB, you can always visit their website, which is myob.com. And from here, you'll see products, the features that they offer, and of course, their plans and pricing. So that's basically it for this video. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.